How to fix Instagram try again later problem. So if you're facing a problem with the Instagram try again later problem, then the first thing, check your internet connection. Once you've checked your internet connection, now you just need to simply open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. Go for the upper right, which has that 3 bat icon, and you need to simply go for account center. Once you tap on the account center, now you just need to scroll down and tap on password and security. Once you tap on it, here you will have these kind of options. So you just need to simply go for where you're logged in under your security checks. So here you can go for your Instagram, and here you will have all of the information in which mobile devices or in which laptops or computers your account is logged in. So what you need to do is you just need to simply go for select devices to log out, and then you need to choose the devices that you don't want. So you need to simply choose the devices and tap on log out, which is on the bottom of your screen. And once you tap on log out, you will be logged out of other accounts, and once you're logged out of your other accounts, then your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back, and you need to go for your settings. So once you're in the settings, you need to scroll down. Once you scroll down, here you will have an option of help. Tap on help and then tap on report a problem, and tap on report a problem again, and it will create a report. So simply tap on don't include and continue, and here it will take you to a report problem page, and under report problem you need to write that, hello Instagram team, I'm facing a problem of try again later in my Instagram, and I'm not being able to use my Instagram correctly, so please help me with that problem. And once you've entered that, you need to simply tap on send, which is on the right side, upper right side. Once you tap on send, within few hours or within 1 or 2 days, you will receive an email, or you will get some help from Instagram. So that's how you can fix your Instagram try again later problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.